Right now, the radar is showing a couple of showers and thunderstorms off the East Coast and a couple of very isolated showers down towards the Florida Keys. But as we slide up the coastline, we're not expecting much here today. We get a afternoon to put the umbrellas up and focus on the dry and lower humidity that's going to arrive later on today. We picked up some much needed rainfall again. You see some of the heavier amounts right along the coastline. Boy, do we need it. Yesterday, we picked up 3/4 of an inch officially at the rain gauge, but look at the records, both in Naples and Fort Myers, almost 8 inches there back in 1962. We were well away from that mark, but the rainfall did take our deficit down under 15 inches. We still need some more rain, but the timing of the dry air and the nice evening just in time for Friday and the weekend. For today, though, you can see some sunshine there with just a 10 to 20% chance of an isolated shower. Most of that will be inland and over towards the East Coast. You look at our temperatures this morning, we're down near 70 along State Road 29, mid 70s along the coast. And with the dew point values now in the upper 60s to low 70s, it already feels a little bit different outside. And those forecast temperatures this afternoon will be up around 90 with some upper 80s inland. Now that reading of 90 is right there at our average for this time of year and will be well shy of a record value of 95 going back to 1988. This low is potential tropical cyclone number 16, forecast to become subtropical or tropical storm Ophelia later on today as it moves on off towards the north. And matter of fact, the National Hurricane Center's latest forecast here does show Ophelia developing as it approaches the Outer Banks of North Carolina here in the days ahead. As this system pulls north, it's going to impact our weather, but in a little different way. All the rain and moisture on the east side, and we'll see dry air pumped in behind it. That will be for today. That's what's going to give us that little taste of fall. But Saturday and Sunday, the moisture tail that tracks into Ophelia will start to lift to the north. That's going to give us a little better chance of rain, especially as we wrap up the weekend on Sunday. So after a 10 to 20% chance today, up a little bit Saturday, and then as that moisture builds back in, we'll get up to a 60% Monday and Tuesday. Nigel has become post-tropical. This is the last advisory as this system is racing near 40 miles per hour. We will be able to take this one off the map later on today. Another one coming off the coast of Africa near the Cabo Verde Islands has an 80% chance of developing. We have a long way to watch this one as it tracks towards the Windward Islands over the weekend into early next week. 7-day forecast shows the isolated showers and possible storm there on Saturday, and we get some much needed rainfall returning to the forecast early to mid next week.